It is my utmost pleasure to be the chief guest at today's handover ceremony of a 23-foot fishing boat. 23-foot fishing boats, each equipped with a 260 horsepower outboard engines and 2 premixed drums to support the cooperative's seafood business and ensure an adequate and consistent supply of fish to the cooperative. The purpose of this fishing equipment is to support your fishing business venture and ensure that maximum benefits are achieved while also promoting sustainable fishing practices. I want to acknowledge the extensive technical and financial support provided by the Japanese government to the Lautoka Fishers Cooperative Limited, which includes the registration of the Lautoka Fishers Association as a cooperative. Today, the Fijian government, through the Ministry of Fisheries, is donating 2 23-foot fishing boats, each equipped with 2 60 horsepower outboard engines and 2 drums of premixed fuel. Na isoli sa may isoli o tike de ke mundo me na matento chapani. Nikua na matento miti sandondo me baka mura baka sa mahuna ka ke mundo. Isoli wal tunga may na yongo me bukia na kena taraiva ke baka business na itubutu baka ni Lautoka Fishers Cooperative Limited. Sandono me tigo weekend na elo matua na daka bata na roko ni lawa sa bandone tu na Lautoka Fishers Cooperative Limited me makamuri me rauni kune tigo na mbula sautu o bambota sa nakaboti na matintu na nona itavi sa nabota nga biki mundo to sa bata bata. The Ministry of Fisheries provides the items to achieve one of its commitments under the Sustainable Development Goal 14, which is focusing on life below water. Lautoka Fishers Cooperative Limited is a pilot project in Fiji and the Pacific Island countries, a collaboration between the Ministry of Fisheries and Japan International Cooperation Agency, or JICA. The Ministry of Fisheries, through the Western Division, is implementing this pilot project, which will be duplicated in other parts of Fiji and other Pacific Island countries. With that being said, U.S. office bearers and members of the Lautoka Fishing Cooperative Limited have a vital role to play in ensuring honesty, fairness, transparency, and conducting business ethically and responsibly, and building a positive reputation for new fishers cooperatives to learn from. Securing a high-end domestic market is a challenging task. It requires persistence, teamwork, and consistency. I therefore congratulate you on securing a new market for your product. To ensure its success, I urge you to maintain a consistent supply to this market, and most importantly, to foster trust and support among your team. I believe that in a few years, the Lautoka Fishers Cooperative Limited will operate successfully like any other company in Fiji, as it has great potential to excel in the fishing business due to the availability of infrastructure, including the fisheries wharf, the ice machine, and the fish markets, all located in one place with easy access to the fisheries office. Nowhere in Fiji and the Pacific has this setup. Situated in the second largest city in Fiji, where the markets and consumers are at our doorstep, and with easy access to the principal fishing grounds in the West. To complement these advantages, the Ministry of Fisheries has worked and will continue to work with its development partners to ensure that Lautoka Fishers Cooperative Limited achieve its purposes and goals. Finally, I wish the Lautoka Fishers Cooperative Limited the very best in their business journey. And I hope that in all times, you will achieve your expected results in the years to come. Nakabalemo. Wanini binakaverto na Lautoka Fishers Cooperative Limited. Di na waktu kita na ito raw kawailam na songko wakakina talaga vera na hungol resemberti na cooperative unita na asolini waga kenengili singikwa na vomitira pera mi cooperative pera no nita kapatan ito minasa ito sangwal nga na laman ni cooperative non rambulayan buat matuluban.
How about means that?
Kakak,